Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I kind of don't know how to intro this video because this was like an entirely random idea that we came up with. I was literally sitting right over there and I was trying to come up with video ideas, and I asked Sean what he thought.
Yep.
And he came up with some of the most ridiculous ideas, like the most ridiculous ideas, things that like don't, why do you want that to exist? So I was like, okay, well then if we make these things, you have to help me.
Yeah.
Right? And then I was like, okay, no, new series. So this is the new series. I'm sure you guys saw it in the title. Husband's idea. My husband's idea? I don't know. You tell me what I wrote. I have no idea yet, but it's along those lines. My husband's idea. So I'm gonna let you tell them what we're making. So take it away, Penny.
Okay, just want to clarify first. These ideas are not good ideas. I just asked if these things were possible or if she's ever seen them or done them. So I just got the vision in my head and then started asking her about these. So this first one, I don't know if you want the idea of history, but I was thinking a square.
History? Oh, like all the evolutions? Because
yeah.
we've talked about this. I mean, I had to flesh something out because he just comes up with like,
what if he made a tire out of resin?
You know, so I have to, I have to, you know, take that and kind of like really tone it down a little bit so that it's realistic, and then we can start somewhere. So anyway.
So yeah, my initial vision was just like a flat, big square piece of resin with pens sticking out of it. I don't know if that's been done, but that would be way too much resin. Nobody needs that because this idea is going to be an abomination anyway. So then I was thinking you could just do a small circular one and then just have a couple pens sticking out. And then we emerged with our final idea, which is actually a dome with pens sticking out of the bottom. So, and then we got the idea to turn it into a UFO, basically, and have the lights coming out the bottom be pens.
So sum up your idea for them. Sum up, because you just talked a lot of talk. Describe your idea in simpler words. Like, what is it?
It's gonna be a dome of resin with pens sticking out the bottom, and the dome is gonna have glitter in it, and it's gonna look like a UFO, and the pens are gonna be rays coming down from the UFO.
What made you think of this?
I don't know, it just popped in there.
It really just popped in?
Yeah. You were thinking of video ideas, so I was like, what hasn't been done in resin before? Pens. Let us know if we're wrong.
Pens?
Here.
No, I'm gonna tell you you're wrong. People put, you know, crayons and stuff, not in the same way that you're thinking, but I have seen like, you know, containers made that are lined with like, just like colored pencils. There's crayons. Writing utensils have been put into resin before, but
not this one.
I mean, I don't know. I'm not gonna say for sure. I'm not gonna say that this is the first of its kind.
It's okay, I will.
Okay. We started this project yesterday. I did have Sean kind of dust the inside of this dome mold, and then so we dusted it with like a holographic glitter. Then I mixed up some resin and colored it black and poured it into like right up to the line where Sean had finished dusting the holographic glitter. So now we're here.
Now it's time.
Now it is time. So we went to Target. We found this, and they're Cosmic Color Sharpies.
Perfect.
We're making a spaceship. Cosmic colors. Oh, we had to get them, so we did. And I think these are, I'm gonna try to get all of these in there. So I'm gonna take the markers, I'm gonna take the butt end of it, and I'm gonna resin, or I'm actually gonna UV resin. I know, we're gonna revisit UV resin, I hate it, but we have to. So I'm gonna UV resin the butt of the marker right onto the flat part where I put in resin. And then once that's all dried and cured, we can go in with like real resin, and then we'll basically be resining the entire marker into this spaceship dome.
Yeah.
So that's the idea. That's what we're going to be doing. Okay, we UV resin the markers to the dome, and this is
the result. This
is what we've got. Why does it actually look like a spaceship? Sean was saying that this could also be a jellyfish, but anyway, the markers are on, and it just looks ridiculous. We tried to do, I mean, it is kind of a circle, but we tried to do like a star. Who knows if it's gonna be a good star? Anyway, so now, we're gonna go in with some actual resin. I'm just gonna be using, by the way, the first layer is casting resin. I wanted something that cured kind of slow and soft so that it didn't get too hot, because I wasn't sure how much resin I was gonna be putting into this thing overall and how many layers would go into it, and I was trying to eliminate having to come in like a bunch of different times just to pour a little bit. So that's why I poured this much, and that's why I used casting resin so that it would cure kind of like at a chill pace. So the next layer is also going to be casting resin. We're going to mix up some resin, color it black, and then pour that in, and then we'll come back tomorrow, pop it out.
Yeah.
And maybe we'll draw some like gold lines on it or something to make it look more like spaceshipy.
Yeah.
And then we'll be able to use it, and it'll be done.
Can we call it that?
What? Spaceshipy? Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna call it spaceshipy.
Yeah.
Anyway,
her maiden voyage is tomorrow.
I'm honestly so excited to see what this really looks like with the holographic glitter. So we're 24 hours later. We're gonna pop this thing out. Do you actually want to do the honors of popping it out?
Please.
Okay. Oh my god. Wow.
I want to believe.
Why? I mean, I'm gonna give you guys some like better shots like that of this thing, but let me hold it. Can I hold it?
Yes.
Oh my. Wow. I think we're gonna go in with this like silver, what are these again? Silver leafing pen. Okay, we just painted the lines on it, or I did. It really does look like a spaceship, honestly.
Yeah.
It looks like a jellyfish as well, but I think with like the silver lines and like the holographic silver glitter on top, I think it really does look like a spaceship.
Yeah.
Is this what you were envisioning?
It looks different.
Does anybody envision this?
It looks different than what I envisioned, but I think in a lot of good ways.
Yeah. We're finally gonna test this thing out. I feel like that's probably why everybody was here, is to see this thing get tested out. So we bought some paper from Michael's, And I think what we're gonna try to do is like stamp the colors on and see if it really does make a star, because that's what we tried to do with placement of them. And then we're gonna do some scribbles of it. Yeah. That's why we're here, right? To see if this thing is fun to use and fun to like draw scribbles with. Okay. We're gonna do like a 2-camera setup. I think you should do it.
Okay. So we're just doing the imprint to begin with, right?
Yeah, I just wanna see if it actually, hold on, this was the point, right?
Yes, so like this?
Yeah. Okay. It kind of makes a star.
Yep. Like this.
Stop! Why is this so cool?
I feel like this is some sort of children's art device.
Oh
commercial.
my god, what was that thing where it was like a sponge brush?
Yep.
And you got to like rub on the colors?
Yeah.
Do you remember that?
The name of it,
yeah,
but I know
do you remember
exactly
that clip of the lady that freaks out about it?
Yes.
Like, this is amazing. Oh my god. Wow. This really is just like a kid's art thing.
Yeah. But it's also a spaceship.
Yeah, that's right. What if I do? Oh, that's actually kind of like 3D, kind of messing with my eyeballs.
It did, yeah, same.
It's supposed to be a smiley face, just in case anyone was confused by that. Oh, you're trying to use one? Ah. Oh, right, we should do our... Wow, that is really horrible.
It's difficult, okay?
Okay. It's actually not that hard to, like, isolate one of the markers and use it.
Yeah. Sorry, I can't see.
Whoa, can't even tell what's happening.
Yeah.
Actually, the purple looks really cool.
Not good. Heath. I can't draw a cow. I'm not gonna try.
Please try. Oh my god, that's a chunky cow, dude.
You ever seen a non-chunky cow?
So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know what you think of the series and of the first thing that we made. What do you think they're gonna actually say about this thing?
I don't know.
What do you think of this thing? Are you happy that this is existing solely because of you?
Yes, that's true. I don't feel terrible. I hope you guys honestly get some laughs out of it. I know it's a little silly. Yeah, this is all
just for fun.
I think this is a little silly, but I hope you guys enjoyed being along for the ride.
Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram. I'll put it right over his face. That's not my username, but it's at Artsymadwoman. And subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so freaking much. Do you love them as well?
I do love you guys.
Okay.
Yes.
We just had to check that because we could have had problems.
Yeah, if I didn't love them.
Yeah, exactly.
Don't want you guys to get the wrong idea.
We could have had some issues here. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. No, remember? Goodbye. 3,
2, 1.
Sorry, I laughed. Okay, 3, 2. I hate them.
That was the most anime thing you've ever done.
But like, describe your I
think he said it best.
Yeah. You're prepared.
I played the 5th.
Do you even have your fingers in? Spread your fingers out. Okay. But no, put them down now. It reminded me of Wayne's World.
What?
Oh my god, this whole thing. They have that scene in Wayne's World where they have all of like the sponsored items on them, like they're wearing jackets and hats and stuff.
Yeah.
And then they do like this sponsored type thing for, I think it was like Advil or whatever. And they're like holding it in their hand and it's so perfect and they're like, little yellow